Hi guys, we are at Busch Gardens today. They invited us out to check out their Christmas town, and we have not been to Christmas town in a very, very long time. I'm super excited. We're gonna eat some food, we're gonna ride some rides, we are going to see some shows, and I'm super excited for tonight. So let's come join the adventure. Oh yeah, we're going to meet Santa. He's right in there, like right in there.
Subscribe to One Dino Awesome Guy.
One Dino Awesome Guy?
Yeah.
We came with friends today.
Are you ready?
Ready. Yes.
Ready? You've had 11 months to prepare.
Oh yeah.
Fantastic. Now you got all your shirts on. You have the Christmas spirit. I see it. And you guys, he's my favorite ghost. Oh, very So, now my friends, we're just waiting for your elf escort here. So do let me know if you see an elf, because I don't have eyes in the back of my head. Mrs. Claus does. That's why she wears the hat. Time to both together. Both of them.
Both of them.
With their hands.
Where you want? What?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
There's two doors.
Thank goodness.
He doesn't even have the ring. He doesn't even have the ring.
Well, have fun in there,
Thank
friends.
you.
Merry Christmas.
Hi friends, come on in. My name is Olive, and I'm so happy to be here with all of you.
Yay.
What's your guys' names?
Sean.
Sean. Lindy.
Bradley.
Bradley. Sam. Wow, that's a pretty common name I've heard here. Just like Mom and Dad. I heard that name before too.
It's Santa.
You're a mean
He's here.
Mr. Grinch, come on down here.
It's Santa.
La, la, I don't know the words very good, but I make them up as I go along, and nobody ever knows Mr. Grinch.
Grinch shirt, not me.
He's the singer?
I don't have the Grinch shirt on though.
Well, I know, I wouldn't touch you with a 12-and-a-half-foot. That's all I can remember. And the mean one, Mr. Grinch, and the dog, and he puts him on the sleigh. Anyways,
Max.
how are you all doing? Max?
Max, that's the dog's name.
Puts Max. Max jumped on the sleigh. He said, "Mush, mush, Max." And Max said, "No, I'm going with you." What have y'all been doing today?
Riding roller coasters.
Oh, roller coaster. My sleigh is like a roller coaster, but I ain't got no rails on it. My elves, half of them are like, I'm not going with you, Santa. This one always goes with. Oh, this one never goes with me. She says no way.
I pretend like I do, and then whenever you get on, I just
See, that's what I thought. You know, I'm always like, why did it weigh a little bit more when we were lifting off? And then when we get up there, I'm like, it's like an elf is missing or something. And then Rudolph is like, hey, I'm up here. And I'd like get distracted and don't know nothing. But let's get to the good stuff. What would you like for Christmas?
She told you to think about it out there.
I know.
The words to Mr. Grinch? Socks. Socks is easy.
Oh yeah, what kind of socks do I do? Fuzzy, do a cotton?
All of them. All the socks? All the socks.
Who's in charge of that? Duplo?
Yes.
Put Duplo on it.
Okay.
All kinds of socks. Big,
Okay.
little, black, white, green, red, orange.
Pink.
Polyester.
Stripes, pink. Planet
Frilly
Vulcan
ones.
socks. What about you? The words to You're the mean one, Mr. Grinch.
What about a new refrigerator?
Oh. Well, tell you what happened. It was 1964. Do you remember this?
I do remember this.
She was helping load an refrigerator on there for Jimmy Maxwell's family. Do you know Jimmy Maxwell? Oh, well, he wanted a new refrigerator. And I was bringing it, and everything was good. And then the Air Force shot by the sleigh, and we went into like a tailspin. Luckily, I was able to pull it up, save the day, didn't I?
Oh yeah, like you
But that refrigerator fell into Lake Michigan. And it's still there today.
Yes.
So if you could find something else you might like that's a little tinier than a refrigerator, that would be great.
Okay. How about a mini fridge?
Oh.
I can get a mini fridge.
Yeah.
Mini fridges,
Mini
I can
fridge,
do.
mini
What about
fridge.
you? What would you like? A new camera?
Yes.
Oh, I bet
Yes.
you would. Bet you would.
Yes.
What about you, doll?
We just got a new refrigerator, so you know.
A new car.
That's a lot bigger than a refrigerator.
1945, same place, Lake Michigan. Sputnik. We got it in front of the sleigh. I looked around it, and the elves were all like, Santa, you are so cool, like Steve McQueen saved the day. But they're gone down in Lake Michigan.
Stupid Lake Michigan. There's
It's
a lot
a
of stuff
great.
to go.
Well, we do a lot of crisscross.
I'm gonna go
Lake
diving in Lake
seems to be
Michigan.
You should. It's probably all rusted, but you know,
You know.
it's free.
Yeah, that's
Well, what are you all gonna go do now?
eats food.
Eat food.
Probably
hot
cookies
chocolate.
and
Eat food.
probably
Have some
cookies.
eggnog
Yeah.
for me.
I love eggnog.
Eat lots of food. You could go to the smokehouse.
Oh, yes.
Make sure you go by and see Rudolph. And if you
Well,
see
we already
Bumble,
did.
you saw Rudolph? Was
Yeah.
Bumble there?
Yeah.
You should go back and say, stop stepping on Santa's foot.
Okay. He has a big foot.
It hurts. Well, I'll write you for. I hope you have a lovely day.
Thanks,
I hope
Santa.
you have a very happy Thanksgiving. We got to see that before Christmas. And then have a very, very Merry Christmas, okay?
Yay.
And I'll be by, same time, same bat channel. Sorry, love Adam West, can't help it. He's a great guy. And hello. And leave the windows open so it's a little cool in there, so I
Yes.
feel like I'm at the North Pole. And if you care to leave out some chocolate chip cookies, I wouldn't mind at all. And is everything fine out there?
Oh, yeah, the hot chocolate is all in.
No Lego spills or glitter bombs or
No.
everything's
Yeah,
okay?
Lego free.
Okay, good.
Well, I'll
Yeah.
write you for. I hope you have a great day.
Thank you,
Bye,
Santa.
Santa.
Thank you for coming by to see me.
Bye,
And happy
Santa.
Thanksgiving and Merry Christmas.
Yay.
All right.
Well, that was a lot of fun. Santa had a lot to say in that. And if you want to go diving in Lake Michigan, I'm pretty sure there's a lot of stuff at the bottom of it with all the stuff that he's dropped, he said. So, yeah, it's probably really rusty though, is what he said. So, yeah, now I think we're gonna go ride, what the heck is this called? Serengeti Flyers, if it's open, because it wasn't open just a little while ago. And I bet it's down now. No? Oh yeah, it doesn't look like it's working.
Dang it.
We're not riding it.
Somehow.
Exactly.
One second.
You guys have I'm
Okay, that works.
You're here to pick up the letter to Santa. You're not going to be told ponies like last year. Can you believe some of the letters we get? Like this one from
Hippopotamus for Christmas. Only hippopotamus will do. No crocodiles or rhinoceroses. I only like hippopotamuses.
I will say it's a lot more Christmassy on this side of the park. A lot more Christmas lights. Even Iron Gwazi has joined in on the Christmas spirit because they have red and green lights on Gwazi. That's pretty cool. I think it might be time to go eat some food, try some of the things that they have here at Busch Gardens Christmas Town. You got a decorate your own cookies. So there's icing, and you get some sprinkles, and either a snickerdoodle, a sugar cookie, which was what we got, or a chocolate chip cookie. We got the sugar cookie. Yay, and we get to decorate it and then eat it. And that's what it looks like when it's done. Yay. Now we don't want to eat it because it looks too cute. Okay, never mind, I'm going to eat it. It's time for the cookie. Oh, jeez, it is really, it's like falling apart, it's so soft. Okay.
Oh,
Good cookie. Good cookie.
Very good.
Good cookie.
Very good cookie.
Have we even eaten the cookie yet? Mmm. This was fun. Like a candy cane.
Look at the fucking spot. Look at the shit.
We're gonna go to Christmas on ice. Yay. That show was really, really good. I was highly, highly impressed by the ice show. It was not too long, so that's good. It's kept people's attention. The couples skaters were really, really, really good. I felt like she was gonna like get her head smashed on the ground. Thank God she didn't. It was so close. It always freaks me out when I see double skaters and like, yeah, no, I could never do that. We've made it on the Holly Jolly Express. Okay, we just got off the train. I'm gonna guess it's a lot more fun during the day because there was no animals, because it's dark out, so you really can't see anything. So it's literally just a train ride with Christmas music in the dark. But again, I'm gonna guess it's a lot more fun during the day. So yeah, so if you want to ride the Holly Jolly Express, do it during the day, not at night. We've made it to Serengeti Flyers. Hopefully it stays up so we can go on it. I've never been on this, and I'm super excited, but hopefully it stays up because it keeps going down. So hopefully it stays away. Stays up, stays up. We made it on. It didn't break down, and that was really high. A lot of fun, but really, really high. Like, I don't like heights, so that was a lot of fun. I would definitely do it again. They have a lot of these machines, and they're all Christmas themed. Well, he's cute. Nice snowman. Well, it was a lot of fun. Thank you, Busch Gardens, for letting us out here and inviting us. But we had some good food. Those cookies were really, really good. The rides were really fun, especially at night. It's a lot of fun. But the lights are fun. The show was really, really good. The ice show. I'm gonna have to come back because we didn't even get to do everything because there's just so much to do. But I'll see you guys next time. Remember to love yourselves and each other. Bye-bye.
What? No,
Hey,
no, not
pick
him.
me.
No,
Pick me over here. Hey,
me. Pick
no,
this
no,
video.
not him.
Watch this video next.
Pick me.
Not
Pick me.
him. This one.
Get,
This one.
watch this video.
Wanna
Watch this
watch
video.
it?
Pick me. Pick me. Pick me.
Watch this one. Click
But
on this
no,
one.
not him. Not him.
No,
Pick
you
me.
want
Pick me.
to.
Right here, right here, right here, right here.
Come on.
Right here, right here, right here, right here.
Come
Pick
on.
this. Pick this. Pick this. Pick this.